For the third database that I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you one that is a little bit more specialized. ProQuest SIRS Discoverer is very specific in what it would work best for. Let me show you. If you click on Open Now, this is what will happen. And you'll notice that it already has stuff that it's trying to show you. Animals, controversial issues, countries, states, and provinces, and famous people. This is really the best place to do this, what this is used for. The first thing you should do is come over here to log in and log into your Google. Okay, as you'll see that I'm already logged in, but you can click log in and it will actually work the same way that Gail did, where it will connect to your Google Drive if you want to save topics. You can come over here to research topics, or you can also type them in here. I'm just going to show you like animals. Let's see that you want to do the Empire penguin. If you're doing animals, this is a great place to get this information. So if I click on that, what it's going to do is it's not only going to give me facts right here, but it will also start giving me topics. It'll give me information here, and then I can also go into more research topics if I want to. This is just a great way for you to see some information. You can find more sources right here, and then it'll go into the newspapers, the magazines, the images, the books, anything else that you're looking to have. Once you get in, let's say, I don't want an image, I want to get a magazine article. So once you click here, you can kind of look through the different ones that are, and I'm going to click, you know what, I think I'm going to click this one right here, just to show you. It'll show you the entire article, and you will be able to get information from it. You can listen to it right here. You can also save it to your cloud. If you're looking to save it to your Google Drive, you can do the same thing that we did in Gale. You can save it to the cloud, and then when you go over, in fact, I'll go ahead and do that. I'll save it to my Google Drive, and then in a moment, I'll show you where it is in my drive, as it takes a little bit of time to save. There we go. Okay, then also, just like before, if we want to cite, we can click on that right there, make sure it's MLA, and then I can copy. So if I want to copy it here, I can copy it, and then I can paste it in my thing. Again, this is World War II. I'm just showing you where I would paste it. So once that's done, I can look at I can take a look at what this is, and I can look through it. This one's not super complicated, and it's very similar. You can look through different things. Let me show you where that will be. You'll see that in my recent drive, there it is right there. And then if I double click on that, I can open it, and my article will be there exactly as I saw it there. I can highlight things that are important for my article, and I can take them. As you guys can see, there's even some fun fact files. So this is a really great place to, in fact, I'm going to go back to home. And this is a great place to look up people, animals, or a place that you're looking for. Not as much for topics. We have other databases that are better for the topics. And if you want to go into controversial topics, if you're doing something, you know, we have gun rights, we have religion in school, we have cell phones in school, we have, as you can see, all these different topics. You are more than welcome to look through those. And if that's one of your topics, that would be a great thing. This would be a great resource for you. So that is how you use SIRS Discoverer.